Hello people, and for this round, we're gonna show you how to fix when the icon here at the bottom left for the voice input doesn't show. Now, the first thing we have to do is to go to settings. Now let's just tap on the gear icon, and now we just have to go to general management, and now where you actually go, and no, it's not on Samsung keyboard settings, it is actually on the one below, the keyboard list and default. You see the keyboard button on navigation bar. If you switch that off, it will disappear. See, it's gone. So you just have to switch that on, and there it is. And you can also change it to a keyboard if you hold it. So let's just go with voice input. And there you have it. If you have any questions, just leave a comment down below. And if this video helped you out, you could like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.